Bitcoin has now hit this support again for the 5th time in this current period of time. It's literally been in this box, and we're generally due a breakout currently soon. We've ended up dropping, Bitcoin has dropped from that 30k all the way down to that 27k because Bitcoin has been congested due to the amount of people making meme coins on the Bitcoin network. Even Binance has closed its BTC withdrawals on this, and alongside with this, I ended up trying to send Bitcoin myself and it is stuck. I don't even know what's going to happen to that Bitcoin or what's going to happen next. But in this video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin's next key levels, the Pepe update and the Pepe trade review. Alongside with that, I want to share with you the daily report card to improve your trading and help you level up. So what's happening, guys? It's Dan Chung, aka Champ here, verified prop trader, teaching you the ways to make it happen. So first, let's look at the overall Bitcoin prices and the next key level. So currently we can see that we've ended up rejecting this key level onto the upside and also this support zone. And if you haven't seen, definitely go check out yesterday's video where we talked about how DXY is the inverse and how you should be looking at the dollar to help you understand the overall Bitcoin movement. Whilst we are on the BitGet topic, check this out. There's $15,000 up for grabs in terms of prize pool and cash, and alongside with that, $40,000 worth of bonuses, 20% off your trading fees. And that's all for you, just exclusive Coin Bureau trading promotions. So link in the description below, and you can see that literally the top 100 people will get a prize pool where it says here, literally ranking number 1 gets $4,000, and then up to 100 you get $5 each. And right now we only have around 46 people signed up, so even if you sign up, you're within that prize pool. Get early bird is the winner. So get involved with this trading competition and let us know. As we do this, we'll do more and bigger giveaways and bigger competitions, and let us know in the comments below where you are at with your competition. And what the main thing we can understand right this moment in time is a DXY, so the dollar itself, is failing to make a low, meaning that Bitcoin is actually doing the inverse right this moment in time and having a failing chance to break this 30k and break up and above. Over the next couple of days, our main key levels are to break this boxing section at the moment, so we really need to see which one breaks first. So we need to see a break up above 30,500 or a break below 2,700 there, and then our next key level is at 24,643, and then if we break up onto the upside, we can go easily up to 37,000. So you know, we've been waiting for 37,000 for quite a while, but if not, and we do fail to have the momentum and the dollar does come with some more bullish news, then we could see a 22k Bitcoin. So the current congestion doesn't really help the situation, because a great way to understand this is if there's congestion, people were like, so like, hold on a minute, the whole point of Bitcoin was we were able to send it and not have issues. But currently, as my own problem, I'm trying to send Bitcoin and I ended up having to use the traditional wire method. And I think this is a great idea to understand that, in my personal opinion, I generally believe that Bitcoin is going to coexist with the current financial situation and the structure, as opposed to replace it. You know, a lot of people think replace it, but there are pros and cons. If you send it wrong, imagine if you send 100 Bitcoin and you send it wrong, you're not ever getting that back. But if you do a bank transaction, or if there is a scam, you are able to get that back. I think that's the biggest problem with crypto at the moment, the scams. You are not protected by that, but that's a whole nother story and a whole nother situation. But talking about meme coins, let's go over to Pepe Coin, where I actually made this frog analysis. That means I don't need to learn to trade anymore. Let's just do this analysis and it works. No, I'm just joking. So if you didn't see that video, there's a clip of me saying, you know, I did the frog analysis as a bit of a joke. The whole idea of these meme coins is they do pump and dump, and that's exactly what has happened. It ended up pushing all the way up to the upside and then dropped all the way down 373%, and then ended up dropping 62% onto the downside. So yes, this has a chance to move up, but one thing I try to stay away from meme coins, and I just want to add some value, right? My own thought process. These are kind of like a lottery ticket. You buy them, you look for exponential gains, but they are unrealistic in the world. Like, you can't keep getting 1,000%, can't keep getting 100%. But you know, I do know some traders who do make a lot of money by splitting all their baskets. They just need one big win, and then that puts them over the edge. And if that's the case, that's absolutely fine. I just wanted to share that, you know, you got to be understanding that exceptional gains aren't common, but if you do diversify and you do play it well, then that's fine. That's the whole point of this channel, to help you guys learn and earn. So finally, finally, speaking about learn and earn, I've got something that I want to share with you guys. So if you can add this is completely for free, so you can download this on Twitter or on Discord, and it's called a daily report card. We use this as a trading aspect, so you can actually check this out by what you do is you have a pre-market analysis, you have your session analysis, a trade analysis, your outcome, post-market, and your lesson. So you can fill these out daily, and you can use this for the same idea when you're doing it for your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, or whatever it is with your trading from there. So what you would want to do is you put in your date, you put in the goals that you have for the day. So for example, today is the 9th of May, and then tomorrow I want, the main goal is I just want to look for one Bitcoin trade that matches my confluence, and then you grade the day. Did you do what you were supposed to do? Was you able to take that? So an example here is I had not the cleanest setup for 100 EMA. It wasn't in favor, but the trade looked valid. In terms of the structure, the trade made absolute sense, so I took it. Alongside with that, the session analysis, I nearly closed it multiple times because the structure was quite ugly, and the only way you can have experience in structure and get better at it is just watch the market. Remember, practice makes perfect. So then on the third time and the third try, it didn't push above, it didn't hold. So I ended up closing the trade, closed up with a 0.25%, posted that, have a post-market analysis. There was lessons, there was no lessons there because I was able to play it well. So this is something you can take away. I think this is something that I thought was really cool. Some of our traders use this as templates, and I thought I'd share it with you guys on the Coin Bureau Trading so you guys can implement this into your own trading too. So think about it. When you're looking at a trade, or even if you're looking at altcoins or you're holding, what is the pre-market analysis? What's the post-market analysis? What are you looking to do? And how can you learn from each individual trade? Because say you make 365 trades, you make 1% better each time, you're going to be 365% better by the last trade. Alongside with that, if it's compounded, it's 403% in terms of knowledge. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know, what do you guys think is going to happen with this whole situation with the congestion with Bitcoin and all these meme coins going on to it, and also Pepe. Like, I just think Pepe is a very interesting to follow right now. Is this going to be the start of an altcoin season? And on top of that, where do you think the next key levels are for Bitcoin? I've already stated my next key levels for Bitcoin. I do think that we could potentially break, up above. I'm more lenient and I'm more leaning towards this pushing, but DXY is not really giving us that confirmation at the moment. So we've got to be patient. We've got to see where Bitcoin can potentially go. I just need more confirmation, and then I can take my next trade, which I can share with you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. Comment below, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.